Okay, so hello guys, welcome to the new video, and in today's video we will learn about DevOps Roadmap. Okay, so this video will be divided into 4 parts or 3 parts I think. And first we will start with what is DevOps, why DevOps, what is the scope of DevOps, and then the tools needed to learn DevOps technologies and open source, and the last thing would be the resources I would say. So stay tuned. So this is the first video. Okay, so let's get started. So what do you understand by DevOps? DevOps is being made by combining 2 words: developer, operations, right? So in company there is a development team. Okay, so there is a development team, and the operation team is handling the operations of the business, right? And developer team is developing the application, deploying the application, everything comes here. So there is a front end, back end, database, different types of stage of application, right? And there is operation team. Now when something goes wrong, right? So if your application, this is an application, if this went down, now developer team will blame operation team, and operation team will blame developer team that they didn't have built the good code, and they will be like they have made mistakes in deployment stage and all, right? So to overcome this issue, we have DevOps, who communicates with the developer and the operation team and carries out different tasks. So many times in job description you will hear having a great communication skill or having an experience to work with cross functionalities team, right? Different teams. So this is common. Communication. Okay, job description. Now I think I have broke down the DevOps part, right? And I have explained the thing, right? Okay, so let me explain it in the other way. Okay, so again DevOps. Let me explain the another aspect of DevOps. Okay. Deployment. The main responsibility of a DevOps engineer is to keep application up for 24/7, right? 7 weeks of the day, 24 hours of a day. So not only deployment, but a 24/7 deployment. The application should be up, right? So the next thing is automation. With the help of Shell script or Python script, or with the help of Jenkins pipelines. Jenkins is a tool used in DevOps, right? So DevOps engineer should know how to automate this task. Third thing would be cloud. If your company's infrastructure is on cloud, like any cloud, AWS, Azure, GCP, there are many other, Alibaba, and DigitalOcean. There are many others, right? So you need to know how to make deployment easy. As clouds are fully managed services, or cloud provide fully managed services, and there are cost optimization strategies that you need to take care of. I'm just taking an example. Cost optimization is not the only thing cloud engineers or DevOps engineer do. There are many others, but I'm taking just one example. So if you need to do a cost optimization to take care of the cost, to cut down the cost of cloud, so this is the job of DevOps engineer. To build a complete infrastructure of application, this is the job of DevOps engineer, right? To write Terraform scripts, Terraform files to build the infrastructure on cloud. I know this is much tricky for you, because if you are hearing this word for the first time, no worries, I will explain all this, right? So we have completed what is DevOps. Now why DevOps? Why DevOps? After 2000s, there is an increased use of mobile applications, right? People nowadays, kids also have a mobiles, right? So my niece is, I think, of 2 years, and she have a big mobile device on her hand, right? She can't even hold it properly, but she have, right? So even today, kids are using Instagram, kids are using Snapchats. They know how to use mobile phones, right? So there is quite a large increase of mobile application after 2000s, right? After touchscreen phones, there is a huge increase of mobile application like Snapchat and Instagram and WhatsApp, etc., right? So to take care of all this task, we have deployment strategies, different deployment strategies according to the application. So this will be our deployment. Okay, that's why to keep application 24/7 up is a big task, is an ideal way, I would say, right? In any case, in any small error, your application will go down, and you need to work as fast as possible to keep it up. And why I have taken example of 2000, after the year 2000 the mobile application use is increased. So as application use is increased, there are many people, and now there are more people using the same applications, right? So in Google in 2000 there were many less people using Google. Nowadays people are using Google frequently. For any small thing, people are using Google. So there is a quite large of increase of customers using applications, right? So you need to take care about that, right? So this is the work of DevOps engineer. Because of this, the price, the demand is quite high in today's market. The demand of DevOps engineer is quite high in today's market. Why? Because of the same reason. The customers are increasing on the daily basis. The companies want to scale their application. The companies want to automate their applications. The infrastructure of application, they need to do that, right? So the demand have increased quite a large. More than a cloud engineers, I think there is a more demand of DevOps engineer. I am in my second year, right? And I got many jobs offer letters for jobs of DevOps full time. I'm not talking about internships, I'm talking about full time. But I want to work remotely. I want to have a work from home job, so I'm waiting for that, and I am a freelancer for now, so I'm quite happy with that. And yes, I would prefer a remote work rather than an on-site work, right? So So that's why, and I have referred many of my friends who are a DevOps engineer. I have referred them. Yes, it highly depends on your skills, how you present your skills, and how much active you are on platforms like LinkedIn. So you will get many proposals, right? I will make a video on how to build a personal branding video. There will be a personal branding video in which we will talk about how to. Okay, okay. So I will make a video about personal branding, right, soon. Okay, so we have completed the why and what aspects of DevOps engineer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let's meet in the next video.